Let's see these exponential equations. 6 raised by a plus 9 raised by a equals to 2 raised by 2a plus 1. So we want to solve for a. So what do? We see 2, the base is 2. Base is 6, we can split into base 2 and 3. 9 can split into base 3 and 3. So we rewrite 6 raised by a as a 3 raised by a times 2 raised by a. 9 raised by a, we want to write as 3 raised by a times 3 raised by a. 2a plus 1, we want to write as 2 times 2 raised by 2a. Right, 2 raised by 2a, we can write, so 2 raised by 2a, we can write as 2 raised by a squared. Now usually it's too much to look at the 3 raised by a, 2 raised by a, so what do? We use dummy variables. We say let x equals to 2 raised by a, let y equals to 3 raised by a. Then we rewrite this equation in the sense of xy. So 2 raised by a, x, 2 raised by 2a becomes x squared now, right? So 3 raised by a, we write as y. So we have y times x plus y times y, which is y squared, right? And then equals to 2 times x squared, because 2 raised by a is x, 2x squared. So we want to make this into a factor form, right? So we want to make a factor, so we move 2x squared to the other side, becomes negative. So we have yx minus x squared. We want to break negative 2x squared into minus 1x squared, then another minus x squared. Right? So we subtract 2x squared on both sides. The right hand side gets 0. The left hand side, we subtract 1x squared, subtract another x squared. In total, that's subtracting 2x squared. Why we want to do this? Because we want to put in a factored form. Right? We look at those two terms. Common factor is x. We factor out x and y minus x. There's a difference of two squares. That factor to be y minus x, y plus x. Now we see these two groups have a common factor of y minus x. So we factor out y minus x. Then the first group left with x. The second group left with y plus x. Okay. A factor multiplied by another factor equals 0. By 0 property. Right? The first factor can be 0. Y minus x can be 0. And the second factor can be 0. Well, we can simplify this. This becomes x plus x, that's 2x. So y plus 2x equals 0. So this is saying y equals to x. This is saying y equals to negative 2x. Well, then we go back, right? Because the dummy variable just serves for a moment. Now y is 3 raised by 8. X is 2 raised by 8. Then for this one, y is 3 raised by 8 equals to negative 2 times 2 raised by 8. Well, this one we can ignore because this can never be true. 3 raised by any number is positive, but this one is negative. So this can be, so this means this factor will never be 0. All right, this factor never be 0. So we only have this. Well, the exponent are the same. 3 raised by 8, 2 raised by 8. But the base are different. So the only possible solution, a equals 0. Because 3 raised by 0 is 1, 2 raised by 0 is 1. So the solution for a, in this case, is 0. One solution.